Il est yo, ça devait être quand il a voulu cancel le sub qu'il a oublié d'annuler. C'est quoi ce jeu? Je sais pas. Un jeu de héros, je crois. Où tu joues un ancien super-héros ou je sais pas quoi. Et genre tu les aides, je sais pas où. Je sais pas. Je sais pas. Je sais pas où. J'ai aucune idée. Je sais pas où. Si moi il est sub, si moi il a oublié de cancel quoi. Putain. Ça fait mal. C'est sur live qu'il l'a dit. Bah elle sait pourquoi. J'ai plein de subs que j'oublie de cancel frère. Putain, tu veux pas oublier de cancel chez moi genre? Bah oui frère. Dinguerie frère. Bah ça oublie pas de cancel chez moi par contre. Hein. Putain. Tu sais à ton seul sub. Si c'est déjà comme ça, sale bâtard. Hein. Ah, peut-être cancel la nudité en vrai. Peut-être peut-être mieux, non? C'est pas mon seul sub, déjà j'en ai deux. Déjà. Ou est-ce que quand il parle de nudité, il y a des fesses? Je peux laisser? Ok. J'ai trop envie de tester le jeu d'escalade. Ouais, Kern. Ça a l'air cool. Le jeu a l'air super cool. Allez, la musique peut-être. Non, ah oui, la musique, ouais. Oui. Hop. Cette musique-là, tu parles? Ouais, ça a l'air banger, Kern. Ça, je fais, on va mettre interactif. Parce que je pense qu'on pourra changer de toute façon, je pense. Attends, je vais. Vas-y, mon frère. Si, frère, je peux plus de ce chat. Non, je le fais sur le compte famille, les gars.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad. What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than you feel comfortable.
Dans tes fenêtres, il y avait une suite comme. J'aimerais bien, frère.
Didn't really know him well.
Je n'ai pas pu répondre.
Around much.
Je n'ai pas pu.
Well, you're gonna see him even less now because he's dead.
Vas-y, vas-y, ça marche.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably fine.
Tu fais un jeu que les gens peuvent pas rester, c'est trop grave. Bah, c'est son choix après. Je savais qu'elle resterait pas. Je sais qu'elle veut le faire.
I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You know, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you shit, you fucking loser!
See, this is more like how I thought this would go.
I hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy as you bitch ass to death, you hear me? Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
land.
smells like outside smells. Fuck, wait,
Hey,
wait,
hey,
wait,
I
wait!
have neighbors. Use your insight
Si mon chat il met des coups de 1100 à 3%, j'entends encore sa voix de con. Ah bah super. J'espère que tu parles la voix du méchant. Hein.
Stop screaming, god damn it. Hey, 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 I will pull you up if you quiet the fuck down.
Et en vrai, je peux pas choisir. Putain, mais. Mais putain, la manette elle marche pas, frère!
You want something to scream about? I'll give you something to scream about.
Merde, dans le crâne à ta mère, fils de. Trop fidèle, moi je me casse. Ah.
You piece of shit!
Hey, I ruined a perfectly good mattress to make sure you didn't die, okay? You're welcome.
C'est pas gentil. J'ai plus le chat à cause du chat. Attends, mais là c'est la manette là? Ah, frère, attends, je peux pas faire des trucs. Ah, ou c'était A, mais c'était A et B. Oh putain, ouais, ok. Waouh. Je viens de capter. Vas-y, casse-toi, connard. Je suis trop con en fait. C'était A et B de la manette. Pour ça, quand j'ai appuyé sur le clavier, ça a pas marché. Je suis trop con, sa mère, putain. Waouh. Ah, la dégaine. Un outfit, t'as peur. Bah, le jeu est cool, je crois. Hein. Ceux que j'ai regardé zéro gameplay, j'ai rien regardé, j'ai juste vu des bons avis dessus. Mais je crois que c'est un jeu pas mal. Hein. Après, faut kiffer les jeux à choix, parce que bah, c'est un jeu à choix, logique. Mais déjà, visuellement, c'est beau. Peut-être remettre la cam en vrai. Je pense au rendement du gameplay là. Avec des ATH. Genre quand faut appuyer sur les touches et tout, les QTE genre. Parce que ATH c'est genre ce que t'as sur Valo, c'est en bas à droite où t'as ton arme et tout ça, c'est un ATH. Faut appuyer 2 fois là. T'as pas les termes encore, c'est pas grave frérot. Tu es débutant sur l'internet. Inter Autoris Code. Wow, oh putain.
Time to finish this. And a swish.
Hmm. Non, mais je peux récupérer ça, ça va pas me finir le truc. Ah c'est... Ok.
All right, next one.
Ok.
Just one more. All right, got it.
Ok, putain, en vrai c'est stylé. C'est stylé de ouf.
Hey, can I get a copy of that video when we're through here? Because it's over, Shroud. And it would be nice to
Vous
watch
pensez,
that back.
il y a la prochaine sorte d'invisible qui arrive, j'ai trop... Putain, faut que je reprenne ça.
Shroud? All this build up face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit?
Where the fuck is Shroud?
He'll be here in a bit. Oh, hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad. Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated. Turns out.
Ah ben si, ouais. Faut que je reprenne ça. Je m'étais arrêté. J'avais eu du mal à accrocher, je crois, à la saison 2.
He still had enough time to know how absolutely fucked he was. Just pissed himself like a little bitch. It was like so much piss. Because your dad was wearing shorts, so
Hey.
it just kept.
I get it.
What the fuck?
Starting to think I didn't need to waste a perfectly good mattress to break her fall.
Perfectly good. I assume that cum stain thing was already in the dumpster.
Can we just skip to the part where you reveal your bullshit superpower so we can fight for real?
What? Ok, stylé. C'est Acid Man. Oh.
Well, Dick, so you got some kind of clever supervillain name?
You can call me toxic.
Bro, that works on so many levels for you.
Yeah, no shit. That's the point.
Oh, bah ça, tu vas kiffer, je pense, hein.
Pretty good when normies like you use them. But when you put them on someone who already has powers, fucking chef's kiss.
Toi, je pense que tu vas kiffer. Est-ce qu'on va voir sa bite se trimballer pendant qu'il se combat ou pas? Ah oui. C'est dommage. Tu pourras regarder la rediff, frérot. La rediff sera dispo sur YouTube. Oh merde, putain. Oh merde. Ah. Je mords le chibre. Comment ça, frérot? Comment ça? Wesh, frérot, t'es... Ça va, mon gars?
Figures.
Peut-être arrêter de regarder le chat, moi, hein, parce que... Très bizarre, ouais, très bizarre. Ouais, va te coucher, hein. Fais-toi des... Oula, putain, wow. Maintenant que tu dis que tu vas aller te coucher, après tu dis je mords le chibre, enfin... Je commence à me poser des questions, frérot. T'es tout seul ce soir, hein? J'ai ma touche A qui marche pas trop. C'est pas moi qui ai écrit, mais ma copine. Ah ouais. Celle du Basic Fit ou... Tiens, ouais, je te comprends. Je te comprends, frérot. Les femmes avec des sgeeks, ça existe, ouais. Et apparemment, ça l'excite aussi. Donne plus leur putain. Après, c'est pas grave, faut... Petit gourmand, hein, le... T'as vécu quand même, hein. Putain. Je t'ai appuyé 2 fois sur A, je sais pas si c'est normal. C'était à mon prime, ouais, je te comprends. Je veux bien le croire, frérot. J'espère être un jour comme toi. T'as toujours son contact pour un pote?
So, what do you got left on them shields? I said 40%,
Tu es déjà.
but boss man says you're down to
Enfin,
28.
je suis le toi actuel.
Not wrong.
Et encore. Je suis même pas comme toi.
Good news.
Je suis loin. J'aimerais bien.
Brown says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
J'aimerais bien, j'aimerais bien.
System check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert astral pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey, boss man says if you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so fucking talkative earlier.
Je sais pas du tout, frérot.
I'm just the messenger.
Ouais, il est normal.
Fuck it.
Hey, great. All going to plan. Now get out of there, babe.
Come on.
Ouais, là, c'est normal. Il y a juste quand Bitaler il parle, ça fait un peu une voix bizarre, mais je pense que c'est le perso, c'est fait comme ça, quoi.
Yeah. Status.
Pulse status stable. Foreign device detected. Warning. 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 Warning.
Waouh. On va voir le robot s'écraser derrière, c'est ça?
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our newsroom, showing what many thought to be the death of Mecha Man. Again. For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles. Built by an ordinary civilian with no superpowers.
Parce que j'avais pas prévu de le faire, j'avais prévu de cut, mais vous vouliez que je relance. Du coup, je me suis dit, plutôt que relancer un jeu, bah. Plutôt que relancer Valo, je lance un autre jeu. C'est de votre faute, hein?
After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a star-studded superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of peace in the Southland. After years of loyal service, tragedy struck again, when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood. But yet again, as hope was lost, a third generation of Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man for the modern era. A bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area. Until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Can you repair your
What's next for
suit?
Mecha Man?
Does this mean your career is
How
over?
badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily, do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils, a lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
I just want to say thank you for the support. I hope to be worthy of it. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Are you 100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, buddy boy. Are you retiring? My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's get it on the record.
Look, I'm not retiring. Not yet, at least.
Any idea what you can do without the Mecha Man suit?
Not yet. All right, just one more, please. I gotta get back to, just one more. Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay Signal. So, Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
I didn't hear a question there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you? You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right. You're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question. Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How disappointed would your dad be if he were here right now? Your father, your grandfather, they must be rolling over in their graves.
I think he'd be proud, because I'm alive. Which, as you so sensitively pointed out, he isn't. I think he knows that I sacrificed everything and that I did my best. Being Mecha Man, protecting my community, was the greatest honor I'll ever have. Now I have to live knowing that. Thank you for coming.
Wang. Wesh, ça a pété dans la salle ou quoi?
Next, is Mecha Man a mecha quitter?
Yeah, I mean, it seemed like it'd be better if he died than be a mecha coward, you know? What kind of example is he setting? Stay tuned to find out.
Hey, assholes. Yeah, just put the TVs back and you can leave. I won't say anything to the cops, and this doesn't need to escalate.
Hey, who you calling assholes, asshole?
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And who the fuck are you?
Yeah, you. Go fucking hobo ranger? Who the fuck are you?
Right now, I'm someone with nothing to lose. Which is probably bad news for you.
Well, with nothing you have, you're about to lose again.
Whatever the case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of fucking Skittles idiots like you.
God damn it. Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
Ah mais putain, mais je suis trop... C'est le bras droit qui est handicapé. C'est lequel bras, putain? Je sais pas avec lequel j'ai tapé. J'ai tapé avec le gauche, mais c'était peut-être le... Oh, putain, je sais pas. Non, j'ai tapé avec le droit.
He landed on the roof, right? Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
Hey, hi, yeah. I know who you are. You're like, famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
Right, I don't think infamous is the same as famous, but...
Oh god, your arm.
Fuck. Oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you done this before? Because maybe... Ow! Okay! Wow!
Vas-y, parle. Personne te juge ici.
Thank you.
One of them is on that roof.
What makes you say that?
Bon bah frère, je sais pas. Ah moi non plus frère. Moi non plus.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different colored dicks? Shit. Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
I can't tell which one of us had the rough day.
Oh, no. I had a great day. Well, that's not totally true. Oh, you're joking. It's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
What a sad sentence.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did. Especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
I'll fix that one for you, too.
No thanks, I like this one.
So, how did you afford all that? You must have spent hundreds of thousands of...
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious? Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
Why did you do it?
Do what?
Sacrifice everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
I don't
On fait le suceur un peu.
I guess I just like helping people.
So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably switch into water.
Good, because I was hoping, after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
A proposition?
Yeah, I'm just...
Tu vois le gros baiser.
if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
Well, I have to say, Blazer, that does sound intriguing.
That's actually... not water.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be embarrassing. I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
What are you doing?
Ah, je l'ai vu sur TikTok le passage là. Je sais ce qui va se passer. Faut juste que je fasse les bons dialogues, je pense.
Alright, just so you know, I only turned around because someone yelled, not because I'm a bitch or anything.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool. Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious shit guy?
Well, you're really going to act like you don't remember me.
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. You are Dr. Don't Do Shit. Your deal is you walk up to people, look threatening, talk a big game, then don't do shit about it. Also, you're not a real doctor, because you're a fucking idiot.
Shit. That is... damn.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
No, mega bitch. I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am Flambe. And you...
Wait, oh shit, I do remember you. You're that shitty villain I busted up.
Not anymore, mecha dick. As I literally just said. I am Flambe, a real superhero. And you are not Mecha Man anymore. So, You need to get the fuck out of here. No.
Mais nique
we
ta
can
mère.
do this the easy way.
Sorry. Which way was that?
No, Punch Up. You're literally fanning the flames right now.
Shit, yeah, you're right. Anybody got a rug? You gotta drop and roll, lad.
Thought he doesn't burn.
Some people become scared before they even know they're hurt. Like babies.
Hola, madame. Hola, hola.
Hey, Mecha Dick, get the fuck out of here.
I get it. Can you just tell Blazer I'm outside?
Out!
Relax.
Oh.
I'm leaving.
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's pissed. The whole energy is awkward. And why'd it smell like burnt hair?
I got a little fired up with the guy, but he ran off before anything happened, so...
Oh, you got fired up?
Yeah? Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Stylé. Stylé, stylé finalement.
I actually thought you were taking us to sit on it.
Hmm? Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better because you can see it, and it looks like there's a couple up there already. So.
I know I shouldn't even bring it up because it was mortifying for the both of us, but I am seriously sorry about the whole spitting thing.
Yeah, that's usually like a second date kind of thing with me. I'm joking. I'm joking. This is not a date.
No, totally. Yeah, I was thinking about something else, but yeah, thanks. Thank you. Again.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you. But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third? 3 times this happened?
There was Grandpa Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize...
Just your run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit. Which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet. But remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
We can work with this.
On l'embrasse. Bonhomme.
No, this.
Non. Putain.
I'm sorry if I gave the wrong impression.
Oh, no.
It's my fault.
I'm so sorry. I totally misread that.
You didn't. I mean, you did. But I definitely. The way I went about things tonight.
Dommage, champion.
It
Dommage.
was all a little loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional? I'm not sure that
C'est vrai qu'elle est là pour nous demander un truc quand même.
Actually here on official business. How I know your name, the proposition I mentioned right before you spit in my mouth.
Still mortified about that.
It's fine. Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course. He's like family. That I haven't talked to in a while, but what about him?
I work with him at SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of
Il a gratté, ouais.
so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer.
Si chanceux.
For
Putain.
dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
My suit was totally destroyed.
I saw the report, studied the footage. It's not totally destroyed, just mostly. It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced.
J'aimerais être à sa place, tu vois.
Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience, your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable. Share it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
So when do we get started? Wait, so you want me dispatching? What's that even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
The drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Okay, there. Pop it on. This is part of the assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Greetings and welcome to this training simulation. We may be superheroes, but we're nothing without SDN's real hero, the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start?
Ok, let's go. Ok, ok.
No. It appears we've got our first call from a subscriber.
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send. Such an array of brave heroes to choose from. How could you possibly pick just one? This graph will show you what a hero does well and not so well.
Ok.
A hero with a knack for vigor and combat looks right for the job.
Wow.
Sounds like me, Phenomeman. Now that at least one hero is being dispatched, it's time to get to work. I am on the way. I will now return to SDN.
Ouais, c'est-à-dire, il va falloir faire gaffe. Oh putain.
Returns to SDN. They'll need some much-needed R&R. That stands for rest and relaxation. Don't forget to review your hero's performance. They won't be sent out again until you do. On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see an analysis of what skills the call required.
Ok.
Let's see how well I did after responding to that caller's, call. There's no such thing as a perfect fit. Use your intellect and your roster to your advantage. The more that my skills align with the needs of the job, the more likely I am to succeed.
Putain, c'est bien.
Organized criminals, often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
Ok.
We've got a potential villain hideout on the college campus.
Sometimes the solution is brains, not brawn. SDN's diverse array of heroes can solve any problem.
Il y a vraiment de quoi, hein? On n'a pas genre un peu quelqu'un de mythe genre. Bah lui après il est vraiment mythe de ouf quoi. On va en envoyer 2 mais... Est-ce que j'ai vraiment envie d'en envoyer 2? Peut-être j'en envoyer 2 pour qu'elle... Parce qu'elle a l'air d'être vraiment à chier niveau def quoi. Tout le monde elle se fait péter la gueule. Ok non. Ok.
Poor marks on that one.
Ok. On veut de la tchatch du coup. Quelqu'un qui blablate.
One of your heroes needs you as their leader. Your heroes will look to you. Make choices and follow where they lead. These choices need the right skill. Remember each of your hero's strengths and weaknesses.
What can I say? A lot, actually.
Ok. Je crois que je commence à cap.
Convoy of Diablo's goons are harrying the highway patrol.
As if
Tu fais le chat.
traffic in this city was not bad enough.
Speaking of traffic and going places, does SDN offer paid time off to take vacations?
Ouais, là je peux en envoyer 2 du coup.
PTO accrues at a regular rate over time. Use it however you like, as long as you discuss your schedule with your manager well in advance.
The fuck is a PTO?
Est-ce que j'en enverrai pas 2 du coup genre?
Clock this.
Parce que là, elle va se faire péter la gueule quoi. Ah nique sa mère, fais-toi péter la gueule au pire. Putain wesh 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 wesh.
Oh no, it's one of my arch nemesises, El Diablo. That means the Diablo in Spanish.
Huh, he must have been using the convoy ambush as a distraction.
And to attack helpless hospital people. That craven bastard.
Speaking of hospitals, did you know SDN offers a robust benefits package for all full-time employees?
That's phenomenal.
Wesh frère.
I need help getting to my doctor's appointment.
The smart choice.
Wesh wesh wesh. Ah ouais, fallait de la... Ouah, fallait autant de tabasse. Oh.
Yes, 10s across the board.
Ok.
SDN values work-life balance. When the bell rings, your shift will end very soon.
Wesh famille. Ah. Ah.
Sometimes a hero can use their talents to tip the scales. They are superheroes after all.
The walls didn't stand a chance.
Ok. Oh putain, oh putain, oh putain, oh putain. On se calme. Ah, on était bien. Après, j'ai tué 2 persos, quoi.
Excellent dispatching. Dispatcher?
Frère, il y a trop de trucs, wesh. Il y a trop de trucs de ouf.
SDN solves all problems, big and small. We never ignore the people of the city, particularly the elderly.
Speaking of retirement, quick question. Phenomenon, does SDN offer 401k matching?
Yes, but there are limitations. Your HR representative will have all the details.
Ah, je peux pas juste tempo. Tempo un peu, genre. Je tempo. Je vais avoir méga sûr, finalement. On était bien. Yes, hey baby. Voilà, hop. On envoie lui. On envoie lui et on envoie elle.
Try and keep up.
Ok. Ça peut le faire en vrai, je pense. Pas besoin d'en envoyer plus. Voilà. Faites de la défense et de la speed. J'étais ok, j'ai pas beaucoup de def, mais... Ah, bâtard. Esh.
Our shift is done now. It is time for lunch.
We couldn't
Okay.
have done it without you, dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Did he just say phenomenal? That felt pretty natural to me. And that it's natural for me to end up mid-tier, that said, for a first time, it feels pretty...
Wesh. Wesh. OMG.
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Ok, ok. Fais-moi descendre.
We'll
moi.
be at the SDN offices tomorrow. I'm not done saving you yet.
Je saute, je fais quoi?
Is there a ladder, or...
Oh, un clips. Wesh.
Sorry I'm late.
Were you a good boy?
The folks at SDN are the best in the business, and we're striving to create a safer, stronger city every
I
single
met a nice lady.
The folks who live here have to deal with a lot.
She wants to help us out.
People with bad intentions and super strength. And that's what SDN is here to help with. We respond to emergencies.
Qu'est-ce qu'il est? Et là, c'est la fin du jeu, les gars. Super. Ok. Ah ouais, bah normal, je comprends. 54% des joueurs, logique. J'ai fait mieux que 10. Ok. Que 46% des joueurs qui ont réussi. One rush plate sur LoL, tu cut pas tant que t'es pas plate. Oh oui, bon. Abuse aussi, toi. J'attends Gotham pour faire un grind de duo Q, moi. J'attends Gotham pour un petit grind GQ bot lane là, mais il fait la salope. Il fait la sasa. Et ça, faut peut-être. Ouais.
Unexpected things
Ouais.
happen every day.
Phenomenon! Can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
Il y a de grandes chances, ouais.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burden slightly.
Parce qu'on sera trop fort.
Let SDN
Logique.
be your rock, so you can rock.
SDN is not an insurance company and does not cover damages to property, persons, or animals.
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah, well, yeah. Wait, what's that?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomenon Man. He's like a rock star. It's I'm joking, cause of the rock and the roll. Cool commercial. I'm a Phenomenon fan, you might say. You could say that.
He seems cool, phenomenal even, and quite the salesman.
Oh yeah, I mean, he could sell snowballs to an Is it not cool to say? Snowman. He could sell snowballs to a snow person. Anyone made of snow, any color snow, doesn't have to be white. Oh God. Okay. Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is yep. That is
Just
yeah.
Okay, let me help you.
Oh no,
with
no, not necessary. I'm sure
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview.
No, I mean, yes, but yes is more. My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Shit.
Okay. Oh. Now that your face is next to a side of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead, I thought.
Just on the inside.
You, look small or different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, wow! Blazer, Lon, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me. Take your clothes off.
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here. I remembered you being bigger. I was a little drunk. Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you... should I close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
C'est du harcèlement.
Well, this might be the fastest HR violation of a new employee in history.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Putain, c'est une blague. J'espère le prend pas mal.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now. Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted myself. It was a mistake. A complicated mistake. I can go into the details of those complications.
Non, ça avait pas l'air d'une erreur.
Didn't feel like a mistake. At least not to me.
Well, that
Porte tes couilles.
one of us.
C'est pas grave.
It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
conference room. So, you two fuck or what?
We kissed, but it was very innocent.
Like cheek innocent or tip of your dick innocent?
Okay, stop. First of all, we did not kiss. You kissed me. Second of all, it's none of your freaking business.
Whoa, she cussed. Must have been a good one.
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed-up dad bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Look, I'm here to help. It's what I do. You have a chance to turn things around, bring some good into the world, and I'll support you in whatever way possible. So that maybe, just maybe, by the end of all of this, helping people is what you do too.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain. We're trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Oh yeah? The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Oh.
This is SDN. How can we help you?
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great. One of the 3 copiers on this floor. Fax, scan, does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN. There tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
How many heroes do you have here?
Network-wide, we're over 300. Here at the Torrance branch, we've got somewhere between 45 and 50, depending on our roster at any given time, working different shifts. Yep, we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there, born with super hearing. He's from, I want to say...
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
Excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little...
Corny?
Corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
On va trouver l'autre. Oh, oh.
Oh, bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Royd. All right. Good to meet you, bruh.
Likewise.
Ouais, je sens les mains. Putain, il est chaud. Hein.
So roid, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen. Get you other guys here that go by the name Royd. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Royd. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think. Hey, you think that's why they call me Royd? Like I'm on steroids? Cause they think I'm some kind of a juice head? They think I'm not natty, bro? They think Royd not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I don't care.
Yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice
Toi, tu dors pas, Gotham?
If it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger, Mecha Man.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother, it's Kapu. Need to know basis, and Roy need to know. Other one gonna come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro, I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
Bah non, logique. Il est quelle heure? Il va être 23. Moi, je vais pas tarder en vrai. Je sais pas quand il y a une cinématique, quand il y a un truc, une sauvegarde pour que.
How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
Look at this skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
Why is this happening?
What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Be that as it may, I'm still confused.
Oh, right. Because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar? Holy shit!
Yeah, you fucker. Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it, you know.
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid.
Ça fait quoi la Gotham? Ça rejoue à code là?
So I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
J'ai pensé aussi.
Sorry. I never noticed.
Fucker. It's the powers. I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers. Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
Then how old are you really?
I turned
Je regarde
30
des gels contre.
but went to Dave & Buster's, shit was lit.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect then re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Le petit qui a mis ton scrim code.
Wow.
What? Obviously,
Ça a joué? Ça a gagné ou quoi?
I love you before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers.
5-5. C'est quoi là du coup la dernière map du coup?
Still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
Mais ça serait pas la scène. Ah.
Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Sonar here was a Harvard graduate
Who will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in US history.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking
Batman.
monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension.
J'ai les une. Ouais, j'ai dingue.
Flambe, he
Controls the fire and the flame, and his skin does not.
I'm Batman.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
The shadow.
Certifiable dickhead.
Invisigal, who you met, turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't ask questions.
Ah ouais, quand elle veut, mais uniquement en retenant son souffle. Ah.
Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tipped you off, Sherlock?
Here we have coupé, which I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the name.
Drogué de reste, je te jure.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent.
Là, c'est le petit.
Carnival
Courpif.
strongman who made a deal with a sorceress.
C'est un peu Gotham, ça.
She gave him the strength of 10 men. His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charm and brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Malevola, terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she still.
Je dois aller très vite.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose. That's Golem. He is a construct.
A construct?
Yeah. A bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic.
Allez, dans quel sens là? Parce que.
Prism, Michigan born and raised. The power is weird. She weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why does she dress like a pop star?
She's actually super talented.
Du coup, elle. Ok. Pyrokinésie, invulnérabilité au feu, pyropropulsion. Surprise pyromane a conçu sa propre tenue. Lui, du coup, c'est un crack, lui. Elle va vite. Elle tape fort, elle va vite. Lui, il est juste smart. Et, enfin, non, il parle et il tank, ok. Elle, c'est la polyvalence, lui, c'est la défense. Et elle, c'est la tchatch et la fight. Ok.
Wait, so the Z team, my team, their Phoenix program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure. What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off. This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
This computer's older than you look.
Wow. Ok.
Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch, and this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland. Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your headset on and introduce yourself to these pricks.
Hey, team. This is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's not your real first name. Bitch. You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto's son?
I saw him in his underwear.
He packing much?
No, but he's got a lot of bruises, which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
We get it, your email.
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear before we send your stupid fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of.
Wesh, il est vénère, Einstein.
My son's balloon is stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Ouais. Mais il faut envoyer quelqu'un de... à ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. Abuse, mon frère. Je suis censé faire comment, moi? On a un Ingui, on a un mec enflammé, on a une putain de chauve-souris. Wesh. Et on a une meuf avec des cornes. Elle fait peur. Celle qui fait pas peur, c'est elle. J'espère que c'est pas une...
Vanderstank is requesting a hero for a very important event.
Who's this Vanderstink guy?
Willem Vanderstink, certified genius. Literally, he has a certificate.
You aren't a genius if you need a piece of paper that says you're a genius.
You're just jealous. This guy rules. Did I mention I went to Harvard?
J'espère que
Pick Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Ah.
Friday?
Today's Friday.
I know.
Ah, il fait de la vitesse. Elle a pas fait pleurer le gamin. Très bien.
Bravo.
Le cousin. Mais ça, c'est à moi de faire ça. Il n'y aura pas d'héros là.
Let's see if I can do this.
Ok. Amazing. C'était l'homme parfait. Nickel.
Okay, what's going on with Sonar?
Oh, that, yeah. He kind of randomly turns into a monster sometimes.
Randomly.
We are working on controlling it.
Ok.
Get these idiots out of my bar before they destroy it. And don't send the flaming asshole.
Do you know who we saw in the bar last night? Mecha Man.
And he kicked Flambe's ass. Okay. That little shit did not kick my ass.
You did, though.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
No, you didn't. Because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going to shut up about it. Yeah?
En vrai, faut être vif de ouf, hein. Poursuivre le voleur et restituer le bâton en un seul morceau. Il faudrait quelqu'un qui aille vite, du coup. Lui, ça va pas être lui. Elle, peut-être. Peut-être elle va...
Sure. I can take a stab at it. Did you get that? I was trying to be funny.
So what was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone. A robot guy without his robot, I guess.
So, just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe? You got your ass kicked by just a guy.
All of you. Shut the fuck up.
Nice.
Hey, showing him how we do it big top style.
Ok.
Flambe, you're off route.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Fire at a local park has gotten out of control. Did you start that fire?
No.
The fire that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on break, so how could I know?
Flambe, stop fucking around. I've got enough problems without you making new ones.
Whatever, man.
Putain, il me faudrait... Ah, tu sais quoi, j'attends un peu que l'autre elle se repose, l'autre elle peut se TP, elle peut...
Hey, someone's robbing the museum. I don't know what you do, man. I just started today.
Can't believe this shit's worth money.
Ce voleur, on est fine. Chut.
Can't be.
Débile, va.
Danny the Bone Zone Diaz here. Today's topic is all about SDN hiring criminals to protect us.
Ouais, vas-y, elle. Good. Perturbation, au pétard. Au pétard. I got you. I got you. Je suis chaud, ça va vite. On gère.
It's me again, Galen. Blazer told me to show you the ropes, so...
Ok.
Hero ranked up. Good job. Go check that.
Cross la balle. Ok, maintenant on va dans l'onglet amélioration. Ok.
Earns skill points. Use them for increasing stats.
Ok.
Use the plus icon next to a stat to spend a skill point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Ok. Est-ce que quelqu'un de... Est-ce qu'on fait... En fait... Est-ce qu'on ferait pas juste... On la boosterait pas genre dans le combat et... Sur le charisme et le reste fuck, ou on essaie de les équilibrer tous un peu pour qu'ils soient tous un peu strong partout. Donc on va essayer de les équilibrer tous un peu. Hein. J'en ai pas d'autres qui a up. Non, ok. Bon, lui il a des perturbations de browser. Il fait un contrôlable. Avec ton corps, mon gars. Ah ouais.
We've encountered these thieves before.
J'ai personne qui a un bon cerveau. Lui, il est Il est complètement fucked up, lui.
Sure, your call.
Ah, je vais pas avoir le... Putain, je vais pas avoir le choix de foutre une merde, en fait, je pense. Sa mère, ouais.
I know a
Lui, je vais...
shortcut for this
Merde,
guy's backyard. Trust me, I can handle this a lot faster on my own.
Ok. Stylé. Hmm.
There's, you know, I could say that there is room for improvement.
Ok.
That was
Ok.
too close.
Après, ouais, elle est pas très smart, la meuf, quoi. Ouais. Ok.
Hey, Bobby. Here, William Vanderstink needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
We're going to need you to protect Mr. Vanderstank from the Vanderstanker fan club.
I'm a high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Mais là, le problème, c'est qu'il est en mode débile. Là, du coup, il va pas me kiffer, quoi. Courpif, hein. Courpif. Courpif, il est en place. Je suis désolé, Sonar, mais t'es... Oh, c'est quoi ça? Pétard.
Kid just robbed me. That little shit, I want him behind bars.
Children really are the future.
Alright, I'll snitch. Just cut me a deal, okay?
Yeah, okay, I get it.
Eh ben... Parfait. Non?
Almost feels unfair. Almost.
Banger. Lui, il est un peu con, lui. Ouais, ils sont tous un peu... En fait, ils sont tous un peu cons, quoi. C'est tous un peu des zéros teubés.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New record.
How the fuck did that happen?
I set this car on fire. Yeah. Very flammable.
Oh, putain. C'est
Scare
pas
the
original.
kids straight. That should teach him a lesson.
I love getting paid to scare children. C-suite, here I come.
Lourd.
Time to freak some fuckers out.
Vous pouvez voir dans cette banque comment l'équipe doit-elle procéder?
You get the paintings out. Quietly.
No promises. I'm a screamer.
Nice. Ok. Eh ben, ça sort plutôt bien finalement. Mais du coup... Et du coup, je pense que c'est un point pour... Ok. Et dans cette forme, du coup, il est plus en mode genre... Là, je suis en mode chauve-souris. Il est fort et il a de la vigueur. Et là, genre, il est smart et tout. Ok. Mais ça augmente les stats pour les deux, de toute façon. Je sais pas. On verra. Putain, je peux encore en faire up 1. Oh, banger. Peut-être un point dans le charisme.
dude. I'm not going anywhere. Except Granny's. I love looking at the beautiful homes in this city and knowing I'll never own one.
Ok, du coup, j'ai vraiment pas le choix.
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Oh.
I didn't do this.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever, superhero shit.
Those long ones with the cream inside.
Oh, you like a dick donut?
No. They're called...
You love big, long, cream-filled dick donuts. I got it, dude. You
Je
like
m'en
dick
doutais.
donuts up your throat, in your ass, both.
Yep, you got me.
Shut
I
up.
love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
No, this isn't
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Dan. Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn. Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Ok. Merde.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Hello?
Ugh.
This node represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Au bas, gauche, gauche. Au bas, gauche, gauche. Je vais être dans la merde, moi. Putain, s'il faut se rappeler de certains trucs... J'espère qu'il n'y aura pas des trucs plus longs que ça, parce que sinon je vais vraiment en chier.
What we got here?
Perp, B&E. Who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone. He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
No.
God damn it. This bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind. Got any more great advice?
Duck! Shit. Gotcha now, invisible bitch. Invisigo, just hold him off while I find a way to help.
Wow!
could use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Ok.
Come on, come on, come on. Got him.
Au bas. C'est au bas tout le temps? Gauche haut, au bas. Gauche haut. Gauche haut, au bas. Ok.
Granny, I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you—
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Stop calling me Lieutenant Dan, because the joke doesn't work and you sound dumb.
Granny doesn't even know how to shoot that thing. Take out the thief first. He's the only one with his finger on the trigger.
You know what? It's my life on the line.
I'm done listening to you. That thing's gonna blow that man's
Arm off, and there's a whole building with me in it. Fuck off. I'm disarming the device.
No, Invisigal, that's a direct order.
Who the fuck? No, no.
Oh, fuck. Fuck! Invisigal, you there? Come in, Invisigal.
Fuck, this guy's heavy. Granny's clearly a fan of his own work. Oh, really wasn't expecting to see that. He's kind of caked up. Where's the perp, Lieutenant?
I think he must have had something else to do, because he left.
I mean, this is why you have insurance, right?
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
This feels like a win to me.
That was pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains. Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Ça va, en vrai, j'en ai réussi 2 sur... Ça va. Ça va. Ça va. Ok. Et là, je peux choisir du coup avec quelqu'un? Ouais, est-ce qu'on mettrait pas ça à quelqu'un qui a déjà pas mal de speed par défaut, genre? Ou à quelqu'un qui en a genre pas du tout. Prisme en vrai. Ok, stylé.
Hey.
Flinches.
I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Yeah, well, I guess you should do a better job picking your friends.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind. Good shift. This guy is weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
You seriously think that went well?
No, I think it went great.
You trashed the place. The suspect got away. You got the client hurt. You think when that guy signed up for SDN that it'd result in the back of his ball sack getting scorched? Because they don't mention that in the commercials.
First of all, the place was trashed when I got there. Second, I'm sure Granny would take some crispy nuts over losing his arm. As far as the bad guy, fuck, shit happens.
Fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now? I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without its shell. A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The fact of the matter is, you need me way more than I need you. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Waouh! Ça, c'était méchant.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
On avait besoin de ça. On avait besoin.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
What happened to your nose?
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started soaking in blood.
I don't know. I just sort of bumped my head, I guess.
Right. When I think of someone bumping their head, it's the back of their head. Your nose, your bloody nose, is the same place as your eyes, which is on your face.
Right, yeah. I guess I bumped my face then.
We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What?
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z-Team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the Granny thing went.
Yeah, now the Granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z-Teamers respect her.
They're afraid of her.
I should have done better. Maybe a couple wires got crossed toward the end there. I could have been a little more clear with her.
You crossed 0 wires, okay? She crossed them for you.
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is...
Elle doit être en train de nous écouter. Faut la pomper un peu.
It's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z-Team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Okay. We'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No fucking way it's gonna work. But it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah. No. I did this. It's weird because yeah, I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. But then she comes back and she just crazy, like the evil mode, and smashed What?
What? No.
No, yes. See, I'm SDN's newest.
Hero?
Helpful janitor. Helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's my pleasure, and it's my job, which you helped me get. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah, great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Oh, c'est dégueulasse.
You know, us fixing your suit is not contingent on you fixing the Z team. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
I'm really glad I'm here too.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Oh
It's
putain.
a little awkward to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer. Are you ready to go?
Oh.
Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend, Phenomeman. This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us. I'm sure they could accommodate one more, especially a special occasion like this.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. But to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing, even if that life is a dog life.
Yeah, right.
Petit chanceux.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back? The power of my launch has been known to stun small beings. Phenomenal.
Ok, ouais, stylé. Stylé. Ok, ben, on va s'arrêter là. Ça aurait duré presque 1 heure celui-là. Waouh. Ok, c'est cool. Là, je pense que ça se fera ça à chaque fois après de Valo, en fait. Ça se fera ça à chaque fois après Valo, en fait. Oh, je vais juste regarder les trucs là de fin. 30%. Ouais, normal. J'ai pas dit que... Ok. Je pense que tout le monde pensait elle était là. Ah, on n'avait pas pris ça encore. Ok. Ah, Joel est fight, man. Regarde. Vous avez fait mieux. Vous avez fait mieux que 30%. Hein? Stop alors que je sais pas quoi tu... Bah, je vais surtout aller me coucher, frérot. Je dois me coucher. Demain, je dois aller à la pharmacie et tout. Je dois aller faire des courses. Aller à la pharmacie un peu. Essayer de stream un peu plus tôt qu'aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, j'ai stream tard. Ça m'a fait chier. J'aimerais bien essayer de lancer avant 15 h en vrai. Comme ça, je me tape pas les kids qui rentrent des cours. J'aimerais bien lancer vers 1 h de l'après-midi. 1 h, 2 h. Ce serait cool. Oh, puis là, c'est bien. On a fait 2 épisodes. En vrai, c'est cool. 2 épisodes, c'est cool. En vrai.